All right, so on this problem here is that we have a present value here that we're given as $75.32. And we're saying, hey, what is it going to take to get this to grow to be worth $597 in 10 years, right? So we're basically what we're saying here is I'm putting $75.32 in an account. It is growing for 10 years, and in 10 years I'm going to have $597. I'm trying to figure out what exactly is my interest rate here. Keep in mind here we're saying what's our discount rate, but remember that's basically the same thing. So essentially what we're going to do is that we have our basic formula here, which is telling us that our present value is equal to the future value divided by 1 plus r to the t power. And we can rearrange this however it is that we want to rearrange them. So what we can do is we can substitute these things in. So 7532 is equal to 597 divided by 1 plus r raised to the 10th power, right? Because it's 10 years, okay? So then what we're able to do is that we just rearrange this portion right here. If we're going to do it algebraically, I know most of you are probably going to use it with the financial calculator, but if we're doing it algebraically is that we can rearrange it. So we end up having here the 1 plus r to the 10th power is equal to 597 divided by 7532. And then we take on both sides the 10th root, right? So if you're doing this in your calculator, it's this amount here, the 597 divided by 7532 raised to the 0.1 power, okay? And so then that essentially that tells us here that we have, and just doing a little bit more algebra here, is it's saying that r itself is equal to the 597 divided by 7532, a little dyslexia there, minus 1, okay? And this is going to tell us r. Now, of course, there is a little bit of a different way that we can do this. We can just plug this into the financial calculator. And essentially here is that we're saying that our present value, 7532, future value is 597. Okay, and then we have a payment. Do we have a payment here? No, there is a 0 payment. Our number of years is n, and then we are solving for I over y, right? We hit that compute button. Okay, and that's basically the way that we solve this problem.